goal for both sides. Starting with Army is Sean Byrne, the junior goalie from Georgia. Sean Byrne has been phenomenal this season thus far, only allowing 6 goals in the one game. He was behind Matt Chess last season, so he has his work cut out for him. On the other side, for Rutgers, it's Carden Stoller, the Big Ten Freshman of the Year in 2024. Stoller coming from Boys Latin School, one of the top high schools in America, and we're underway. Matthew Pilato, Will Coletti going at it. Coletti for West Point in the white is unanimous All-American from last season. Pilato part of the 1-2 punch on the face-off specialist with Ethan Barnard. Rutgers wins the first face-off, and we're underway here at Michie Stadium. Coletti, unanimous All-American, Patriot League face-off specialist of the year last season. He was 3rd in the country at a 62% face-off clip, and Will Coletti will be assessed with the face-off violation. He will not be eligible for the next face-off for Fountain. Matthew Pilato going down. He's won both face-offs so far. Another face-off violation. Marco Wimmershoff, who came in after the Will Coletti face-off violation, will now not be eligible for the next one, but good thing Coletti can come back in, the unanimous All-American. A little bit of snow left over in the bleachers, but that's not stopping the fans from coming out to West Point, New York, and showing up for both the Scarlet Knights and Black Knights. Coletti versus Pilato. Switching sides now are the Black Knights and Rutgers. Coletti, no face-off wins thus far for the All-American. Those two will scrum in the middle. And it'll be another win for Rutgers. Pilato will be credited for that. He has won every face-off attempt today. Got the assist from Gunnar Fellows, and Army up 3-0 in front of their home crowd. Very happy so far. Will Coletti, Pilato going at it once again. Pilato wins another face-off. He's been on one so far, and he's trying to get a shot off. Gets the bouncer and gets the possession quickly in the Rutgers offensive zone. Pilato very impressive today with another face-off win. Offensive Player of the Week twice last year. Started in all 14 games in 2024. 37 goals, 21 assists. Looking to have a better season than last, but gets his first goal today. Face-off violation against Coletti. Pilato wins another one. Pilato trying to win another face-off, and Army will, but they're going to call a push against Army. Another face-off win for Rutgers. AJ, but Rutgers finally on the board with 2 minutes and 7 seconds in the first half. Down 4 to Army on the road. Pilato going against Coletti once again. Coletti trying to win his first face-off of the day for the unanimous All-American. Pilato relentless, not letting him have it, and a push on the ground. Ball still being pushed around in the scrum, and who's going to get it next? And it will be Army for the first face-off win. Sean Byrne finds Coletti, who's speeding down the middle of the field. Coletti loses control of the ball, and Rutgers trying to pick it up, but almost went in the stick of Braden Fountain. Shot clock reset, and an excellent hit, but it's going to its first of the day. Puts Army up 6-1 with 34.4 seconds remaining. Face-off win by Coletti. Here comes Coletti with 27 seconds down the alley. Coletti coming around X. Coletti wants to take a shot. Coletti's shot is now with less than 9 to go in this third quarter. It's a 7-1 lead for the 12th ranked team in America. Face-off violation will go against Will Coletti. He will not be eligible for the next face-off. Pilato with another face-off win. Extend the lead to 7 against Rutgers, but where Rutgers has shined so far is the face-off X. 9-for-11 today, and it's another win. Almost was another win. I caught myself there. Oh, the ball's still loose, and they will award it to Rutgers, so they do win their 10th faceoff. Pilato gets it past it to behind the back pass, but it is intercepted. Rutgers. Coletti and Pilato going at it for another opportunity. It's been Matthew Pilato having more success against Will Coletti. And Pilato again scoops up another ground ball and wins the faceoff. 5:40 to go. This Rutgers team is going quick. It's a shot and a goal right off the faceoff. All of a sudden, Rutgers has a little momentum in their favor. Dante Coolis, his first goal of the day. The Ontario native cuts the lead back to 5 for Rutgers. As all of a sudden, the tide has turned a little bit in favor of the Scarlet Knights. Army does hold the 5-goal lead, but Dante Coolis fired one quickly off of the Matthew Pilato face-off win. Now we'll go back reset at the X between Coletti and Pilato. Scrum on the ground. Pilato gets another ground ball, quickly finds Stoller. And this Rutgers team, all the Fountain putting on a show and putting on a show for the rest of the Patriot League in the country to know what number 35 is all about. Another face-off win, Will Coletti. This time for Army, will now try and draw as much time off. Coletti with the swim move. And here comes Coletti, who is pressured, double-teamed, almost tripped.